How to make stop-motion videos using AI? Stop-motion videos are visually unique and eye-catching, often drawing more attention than typical video content. But the traditional process of creating stop-motion involves capturing hundreds of still frames and stitching them together, a very time-intensive and painstaking task. This is where InVideo AI offers a game-changing alternative. Instead of manual frame-by-frame shooting, InVideo AI lets you create stop-motion style videos automatically by uploading your images or short video clips. The AI sequences and animates these files with smooth stop-motion effects, giving you professional quality results in a fraction of the time. You can customize frame rates, add transitions, and include music or voiceovers, making your videos highly polished and ready for social media, marketing, or storytelling. InVideo's easy-to-use platform ensures you don't need any technical expertise or expensive equipment to produce stunning stop-motion videos. While other apps may offer basic stop-motion features, InVideo AI combines automation, templates, and customization to deliver an unmatched user experience. If you want to captivate your audience with creative, stop-motion videos without the hassle, click the link in the description to join InVideo AI for free and start creating your own stop-motion masterpieces today.